Hello! I am so happy you are here right now. My name is Mira, and I am your English teacher today. Do you want to learn a new language, but you think it is hard, right? Well, I have good news. You can learn a language in 3 to 6 months. Yes, it is possible. All you really need are two things, which are determination and consistency. You don't have to study for a full hour every day, but what you need is to show up every single day, even if it's just for a short time, because small steps, repeated daily, lead to big results. And that's why I made this video. In this video, I will give you a simple plan to start learning any language. We will go step by step. So what about taking a look? In the first week, do not worry about difficult things. Start small but strong. You only have to learn the following so you can create a solid base in the language. Start with the alphabets, numbers, and greetings. I will show you how. First, the alphabets. You have to learn the name, the shape, and the pronunciation of each letter, so it will be easy to you to read the words. Then, the numbers. You will need to know the numbers from 1 to 20 at least, and it will be better if you learned from 1 to 100. After that, the greetings. Learn the most important and used words in greetings, such as hello, bye, thank you, you're welcome, good morning, how to simply introduce yourself, and so on. Because these are the bricks for your new house, and they will encourage you to continue, as you will need them every day. Now we came to the most important part of the plan. Every day, you must learn 10 new words. But why 10? 5 words is too slow, and 20 words is too difficult. 10 words is perfect. If you calculated it, you will find that after a month, you will know about 300 words, and after 6 months, you will know 1,800 words. That is enough to speak and understand a lot. Choose important words and the most used ones, like food, family, work, school, and etc. But there is an important point in learning. Don't learn only word, but learn it in a sentence. So don't learn happy, but learn I'm happy today. In language learning, there is something called chunking. It means that the brain likes to remember information in small groups, not single pieces. So learning full sentences is easier than learning one word at a time, as it is more useful. When do you start grammar? Many people start too early. The researchers says that you must start basic grammar in week 4. But why? Your brain needs time first to get used to the language, and when you think you are ready, start grammar after week 4, because waiting 1 month before you study grammar will give you time to get your words. Start with simple grammar and how to make a sentence. Also, in week 4, start listening. Listen to easy podcasts or watch videos for children, like my videos. Even if you do not understand everything, it is okay. Your brain is learning the music of the language. Try to make listening every day, even if it was for 5 minutes, a habit in your day. Now, let's talk about shadowing. What is shadowing? Shadowing is like a game. You listen to a native speaker and you repeat the words immediately. You are like a shadow. This helps your mouth move correctly. When do you start? Start shadowing in month 3. Do not start in month 1. It is too hard and you will feel sad. In month 3, you have enough words, you are ready to speak. Follow these steps. 1. Find a short video. 2. Listen to one sentence. 3. Speak the sentence at the same time. Do this for 10 minutes every day. 5. If you find a new word, write it down. This will make a strong effect because by doing this, you are listening, speaking, and learning new words.
After finishing 3 months, we will practice all the language. You have 2 ways to practice. Way 1, find a video about the topic you like. The video must be easy for your level. Watch the video and repeat the words you hear, the shadowing technique we talked about. If you find words you do not know, write them. After the video, write a paragraph or sentences using these words. Read the sentences aloud in front of a mirror or to someone. Way 2, try to speak to a native speaker. You can find a native speaker on apps or social media. Start with simple words and sentences. Ask questions and answer questions. Do not worry about mistakes. Speak every day. This will make you better and faster.
Let's review everything I explained again. Here is your timeline. Week 1, alphabet, numbers, greetings. From week 2, every day learn 10 new words. Week 4, start basic grammar and easy listening. Month 3, start shadowing for 10 minutes a day. Month 3 to 6, keep going. Practice speaking with people. After all, remember that learning a language is not a race. It is a journey. You do it for work, studying, or as a hobby. It doesn't matter. What really matters is to never stop. I know that some days are hard. Some days you feel tired. That is normal. The secret is consistency. Do a little bit every single day, and you will feel the difference. Not because you're lucky, but because you are smart. You can do this. After 6 months, you will look back and be very proud, and I wish you come and thank me. To all who continued for the end, thank you. Please like this video and subscribe, and tell us down what language do you want to learn. And if you learn a language before, tell us your experience so we can help each other. See you next video. Goodbye.